Hello everyone, welcome to the Fashion Meraki Connect. As you know, Fashion Meraki Connect is behind the scenes for people who are connected with Fashion Meraki. And today we are connected with Ridhima Singh, who is first runner-up of Mrs. Capital of India 2018. Hi Ridhima, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm good too, thanks. So Ridhima, want to really know more about you. So tell us something about yourself.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm really honored and privileged to be the part of Fashion Meraki Connect. And so, viewers, I am Ridhima Singh. I am first runner-up of Mrs. Capital of India 2018, and I'm a homemaker. And I hope you all are well and staying safe and healthy.
That's awesome. And Ridhima, let me tell you that this crown is really complimenting you.
Thank you so much. It's all. Thank you so much.
So Ridhima, as you know that, I've just told everybody that, what Fashion Miraki Connect is all about. So
Yeah.
Ridhima, want to know, how you started your journey with Fashion Miraki. So I have a few questions for you. And let me just
Sure.
start with, firstly, what motivated you to enter a pageant?
Okay. Uh, so motivation actually, I always have some kind of inclination towards this fashion field. And since when I was in school, you remember those days when Aishwarya Rai was crowned?
Yes.
So she icon, and I still remember I used to be like stand in mirror and copy like just act like as if I'm also crowned like a Miss World, and judges are asking me the questions and मैं उनके answers दे रही हूँ, and I feel like that somehow, but later it somehow didn't work out well and I can't make out something in this fashion field, and later I got married and have kids. So एक वो जो ड्रीम था वो कहीं ना कहीं अंदर रह गया, but one day after my marriage when I was sitting at home and scrolling down on my mobile screen, when I saw a post, a Facebook post regarding fashion Miraki that was of Mrs. Capital of India, and जैसे ही मैंने वो देखा I thought of like मुझे ये करना है, and I that very moment I called my husband कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है and I want to do this, and you know what my husband said? He said कि तुम कुछ करती तो हो नहीं and you always keep on saying मुझे ये करना है. So that is a thing which is a challenge for me and I took it as a challenge, and you can say it is a kind of motivation. So both the things are there. So that was my childhood's dream, that the fascination, like I'm fascinated towards this field, as well as the challenge which came from my husband's side कि कुछ करके तो दिखाओ, and that's how I search the websites, and then I go through the profile of Fashion Meraki, and when I saw the winners, last year winners, and I was like कि यार मुझे भी एक crown चाहिए. I really literally want this crown, and whole of that website actually fascinates me a lot because I saw a lot of winners are beauties and actual beauties, yeah, I can say. So that's how the journey begins.
So what, you took it as a challenge. So what all preparations did you do for this challenge, Ridhima? Did you prepare anything before
Um,
coming to the pageant? What all did you do?
Yes, of course, a lot of preparations. One main thing is that हम टीवी में जो देखते हैं मॉडल्स को रैंप वॉक करते हुए, तो वी हैव दैट टाइप ऑफ एक इमेज होती है कि हमें सिर्फ कैट वॉक करना है. सो इट्स लाइक मैंने वही स्टार्ट किया. The first I started walking like at home. You remember that fashion movie song Jalwa?
Definitely.
I literally practiced a lot with that song, and thinking myself being a real model and a diva, walking like a diva at my home. So I practiced like wearing heels, and as well as, I stopped eating out
Okay.
because I want my skin to be the glowing one and my body to be the healthy one. So my friends used to say, "Yeah, you're not going out anywhere. You're not eating anything, golgappe and chaat and all that." I said, "No, I, I have to participate and I should look good." So I quit eating, and also I definitely took good care of my skin and health as well. So that's how I. Hmm.
Well, let me tell you, your skin is always glowing. So, as Ridhima just said that, she did a lot of hard work. And we said that it in the earlier episode also, that you really need to work hard to get something. And there she is, that she's achieved this crown. So, Ridhima, tell me, you prepared for this thing and you were ready for a challenge. You walked into the Fashion Meraki then.
Right.
How did you feel when you came the first day when you attended the training? What were your feelings and how you felt?
Wow. Actually, this is something really I would like to share. The moment I entered, I still remember that time, that day. Actually, जो हमारा हुआ था, that was in Taj Vivanta in Dwarka, and I still remember जैसे ही मैंने entry किया, and I was really nervous first of all, obviously, because I have to stay in a hotel for 3 days for the training period time, and I was really nervous, and I was lot of like confusion in my mind, and a lot of questions are there in my mind, and suddenly I saw two of my finalists sitting over there. तो उनको देख के थोड़ा सा ऐसा कि चलो कोई तो है टाइप. And then later we all move into a conference hall where we met board of directors of Fashion Meraki. They welcomed us, and when we started giving our interviews introductions, and जब वो सब start हो रहा था, तो during that whole episode, you won't believe, I'm honestly saying these words, uh, Divya and Karan sir both are such a wonderful personalities. They make me feel so comfortable. I didn't feel like I'm coming for the first time. Seriously. And उससे थोड़ी देर पहले मेरे mind में ना कुछ confusion था, nervousness था, and that was all gone. And I was so comfortable कि यार, I felt so safe. In fact, this is the right word, I think. कि
Okay.
मैं अब एक बहुत अच्छी जगह पे हूँ, and really this is the place I have to be. अब मैंने एक वो जो what I want to achieve, I'm on the right place now. So this is the right platform. I'm where I always want to be. So this was a feeling I had.
Thank you
Seriously,
so much, Ridhima, for all these compliments. Literally, that Fashion Market really wants everybody safe, and that's why we
yeah,
have.
that is most important
Yes.
for us.
So मतलब हम seriously चाहते हैं कि सब एक safe environment में हो और सब comfortable हो. And I really am happy to hear
Right.
कि from a contestant that she felt safe the first day when she came. So I'm really really happy knowing that. So Ridhima, then the journey of your
But
training
that's the truth.
started. Thank you so much. So yes, so Ridhima, then your journey of your training started. So what all did you learn, and what were you trained on? What all aspects were covered? So how was the training journey?
Training is the most important aspect of any pageant, I think, and we people actually don't take it so like हमें लगता है कि नहीं सुनने में लगता है training just like a training. No, actually it includes lot of things which actually groomed you not only for the pageant but also in future life. It will go and help you a lot, and which I've experienced. So so I start from I think the health one. So we have the trainers who actually help us like in making our diet charts, so which we have to follow to take care of health. Obviously, our eating right is very important for any event for such pages thing. So they make a good diet charts which we have to follow, and secondly they have good exercise like training schedule which we have gone through, like Zumba classes, yoga classes as well. And we matlab, my own experience is like कि मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि मैं एक किसी शेड्यूल में जा रही हूँ, to be very honest. मतलब everybody was so cooperative and so friendly atmosphere was there कि मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मैं कहीं पे किसी ट्रेनिंग के अंदर हूँ. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात जो मैं बताना चाहती हूँ. एंड उसके बाद क्या होता है जब आप ऐसे पेजेंट्स में होते हो, you are leaving behind all your family members, your kids, your husbands behind and staying alone in any atmosphere. So क्या होता है कि आपके अंदर ये होता है कि आप एक स्ट्रेस लेवल आ जाता है थोड़ा सा, बिकॉज आप कंटिन्यूअसली एक प्रोसेस में हो इवन के, एंड उधर आप एक थॉट प्रोसेस में चल रहे हो. सो दे हैव द स्पिरिचुअल मेडिटेशनल ट्रेनर आल्सो to help us focus, to be focused. So for what we are here for, no? So मुझे वो चीज बहुत अच्छी लगी because I am also like so keen to learn yoga and meditation. So and that is actually help us. And more important thing, one of the incidents I really want to share here, and that is about our fashion choreographer Shai Lobo. I think this is the most important part of any pageant, that is a ramp walk, obviously. So the ramp walk part was taken by that Shai Lobo, our fashion choreographer. And the thing is, a day before मेरा ankle twist हो गया था. I won't been able to walk properly. And मेरे को जब चलना था, I have to practice during my practice schedule. I was practicing, and the Shai Lobo was very strict kind of person about he's very particular about his work. That is very good also.
Yeah.
So he literally scolded me badly, like, can't you walk properly? What is the rocket science behind just walking on the ramp? And I was really, got hurt कि यार मेरे को चलना नहीं आता है. Though I practiced a lot before earlier, but still मेरे को चलना नहीं हो रहा है. एक इतने simple सा, just I have to walk along and that's it. But it is not as simple as that. It seems to be on the shows we used to see on TV shows, fashion shows and like that. So it has a particular sequence that you have to walk along with your contestants, fellow contestants, and it's not like you're just walking like handing, hands moving like the pendulum. It is not like that. Then later I came, मैं उनके पास गई, मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरा प्रॉब्लम बताया, this is my problem. I won't believe he is such a kind person. He said कि don't worry, I'll teach you, and he literally taught me so well. उसके बाद से मैंने एक भी गलती नहीं करी, seriously. And seriously मुझे शुरू में लगा था कि मुझे ऐसे डांट दिया टाइप्स, लेकिन but then later I realized no, this is not a thing. Actually this is for our betterment, and because we are taking the things so literally. So that is the reason I find him such a good personality, and I'm really blessed that I have such a good trainers along with me who groomed me so well and taught me such a good lessons for my lifetime. So this is the whole story, and with this, seriously.
I'm sure, but Ritima, this is actually the essence of you being where you are, because training is really, really important. I keep on reiterating it all the time, that training is the essential part, and it is just not about ramp walk. Of course, there are
Yeah,
other
right, very
aspects for
right.
which you just covered. So of course, I'm sure you must be also trained on your self styling and other
Of
classes
course.
like
Yes,
your makeup,
I missed
your
that part. I missed that part. Right, right, right. The makeup thing. No doubt, no doubt. We have so many of misconceptions regarding makeup and styling ourselves. So we have good, makeup stylists from Lakme. Uh, yeah. So Lakme salons, and they taught us very good beauty tips and makeup tips to how you have to groom yourself and how to style yourself like that. So really, I'm thankful to you that I came up to this platform and I have got such a good trainers, which who overall groom me so well. Seriously.
that's really nice, and thank you so much for taking that up, because of course everybody should know that it is just not about ramp walk. It is a lot more
Right.
that goes
Lot more. Right.
behind the pageant. So
Right. Very right.
Rima, doing all that training, doing all that, taking up the challenge, doing the trainings, and and finally you earned the crown. You won it.
Yeah.
So what was the feeling, of winning the crown firstly? And secondly, also, how did the society, your friends, your family take it when you, won the crown?
Okay. Firstly, I want to tell you one thing. When I was on the stage, uh, was about to crown. That moment I really want to mention. So when I was about to crown, and I know in any moment मेरा नाम अभी announce होने वाला है. You won't believe I have the goosebumps on my body, and I really wanted to
But I
cry out like
want to
tears.
stop you there. How did you know that आपका नाम announce होने वाला है? Did you know that before?
No, it is not like that. Actually, what happened is, when they have already announced something ki the first runner-up is Radhima Singh, and I know
Okay.
now somebody is going to crown me. It is not like that. It is already announced. Dr. Varun crowned me, and I still remember that moment when I was standing and just thinking about the whole episode. My husband is sitting, is like taking my videos and pictures. The challenge which he gave me is have now fulfilled. So I was so happy, and more than happy, the thing which came into my mind, ki what my father is thinking, because he has no idea what everything is going on there. And and more important thing is that ki my husband being in army, he was there with me throughout the event, as well as obviously on the grand finale day also. So he was clicking my pictures, so that the moment I crowned, he took my pictures and videos, and he sent all the videos and pictures to my father. And जैसे ही उनको वो pictures and videos मिले, he literally circulated all the pictures and videos to all my relatives, and मेरा phone was ringing like anything. Congratulations, you are this, thank you, I was keep on saying, and I was opposite what to say, and seriously I feel like top of the world that very moment. So that was the happiest moment, and I think I must say this is a turning point of my life also, because very next day I saw myself in the news channel as well as on the newspapers also. So who doesn't like to see to be news and the newspapers? For the first time I'm seeing myself in the newspaper. So to read about yourself in the newspaper is really एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है.
बिल्कुल.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, and my family of course were proud on me, and my friends were actually वो जो friends मुझे for granted लेते थे they are my friends, and they have a kind of feeling of like respect for me now. They think कि हाँ कि हमारी friend है, and she has now become Mrs. Capital of India and the first runner-up. So they feel some kind of respect for me now. So that ways I really feel grateful to Fashion Miraki, and I'm always been thankful that this way you have really changed my life from a housewife to Mrs. Capital of India 2018 to first runner-up. Seriously. So that's why I said this is the turning point of my life. Seriously.
But that's wonderful, and it really gives us also immense pleasure when we hear all these stories, and how the family takes it, and the friends take it. So we are really
Yeah.
we also are really elated to hear all of this. So Ridhima, once the pageant was over and stuff, now you won the crown. Now, what all work opportunities did you get after winning the crown? Did you get any work opportunities?
Of course, I do a lot of auditions. I give a lot of auditions from the various studios. I got many calls, and definitely with the help of Divya and Karan sir, both of you are the guiding angels, no doubt about it. And I gave the auditions for the shoots, and as well as for the print shoots also. I went for, and two of the ad shoots I did. That is for the Swiggy and for the Sunfeast. This is something, yeah. So I really like the work opportunities I do get from after this pageant. See, this is what I really like about the Fashion Miraki. Why? Because it is not only about the winning the crown. See, after winning the crown, you always look for the opportunities to work. Obviously, so who all are fascinated toward this field, they always wanted to work, and they always wanted to see them on the screen after like having the good opportunities, or maybe in the ad shoots or somewhere else. But more important is you'll get the work. How you'll get the work? So that is more important, and that's how I got the work from your side, no doubt about it. And I worked it seriously.
That's so nice, and it's really, really commendable, Ridhima, that from a housewife, of course, after from a housewife winning a crown, and then of course, going ahead and exploring other opportunities as well.
Right.
And it's not a very
Bilkul.
small thing, working with such big companies like Swiggy and Sunfeast. So of course, I'm
Thank you
sure
so much. That's all because of you. That's all because of you, no doubt.
thank you so much. Again, really elated on that. So, Ridhima, once you've again, worked and, would you recommend Fashion Miracle to other people? Did the directors, did the team was always with you when, you needed them? So I wanted a few more insights about all of this.
Yes, I have a lot more to say about this because what I personally experienced, I'll speak out that only. So really, when from the day one, I must say from the day one I've entered into this vision, and I call you for the auditions even. I have always got the good guidance, good any point of my life, I want any kind of a guidance. You people are, as I earlier said, are the guiding angels for me, and you help me a lot. And not because like for you, every contestant is like saying it's not who all are the winners. Only you'll give the work to them only. No, it's not like that. Work is for everyone. For you, we all are same. That is the best part I like about you. And most importantly, the friendly atmosphere which I've experienced. This is the most important thing. And because कोई भी काम अगर आप किसी के साथ करते हो, अगर you don't have that friendly atmosphere, तो एक एक difference बना रहता है. तो you feel somehow hesitant to ask for, but you never make me feel hesitant. मेरे को कभी hesitation नहीं होता बोलने में, कुछ पूछने में. Seriously. So I think you people are such a good personalities. I don't want to lose you. The kind of a bonding I have with you people, seriously, wonderful.
But
So I really want other people to experience this also.
so that is what Fashion Rock is all about. As we always keep on saying that it is a big happy family, and of course a family is always supportive to each other, and we are there
Right.
for you always. So, Ridhima, I mean, any other words for any aspiring contestants, and anything, whatever you would want to say?
Yes. See, every woman is special in her own way, and everyone have something like special within them, no doubt about it. So if you think you really want to make something good in this fashion industry, I believe that Fashion Miraki is the best platform for you, because it's not because I am into it. No, it's because you come into this and experience yourself and see the like how you feel. I'm already like, when I'm into this field, I already feel like I'm not into any kind of a fashion industry. I feel like I'm at home. You people make us feel so comfortable and safe. That is the most important thing. So that is the reason. And if you really want to do something, then you can go for it. And definitely this is the right platform for you.
Thank you so much. Don't worry, we'll be
Right.
always there for you.
Okay, thank you so much. But here I want to actually, I really want to ask you some questions. So can I ask you any of the question?
Sure.
Really,
Go ahead. I'll be glad to answer. Don't worry. Go ahead.
what I was thinking कि बहुत मतलब मुझे काफी टाइम से था. I really want to ask you. I was think मुझे ये अच्छा मौका है पूछने का, तो मैं पूछ लेती हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
So
बिल्कुल. Go ahead.
I really, actually, we all really want to know the struggle story behind like being you into the fashion industry as an entrepreneur.
Okay. Very good question, Ridhima. So,
Yeah, thank you.
firstly, Ridhima, I would not call it a struggle. Okay. I would call it
Okay.
as a challenge because, of course, there's a lot of challenge as an entrepreneur. Firstly, I would like to say that being an entrepreneur, of course, is not an easy piece of cake. You need to
Of
have
course.
a proper vision, and firstly, you really have to be focused on what you need to do.
Right.
So the first challenge I would want to say would be that you have to stand apart from the crowd. So how you have to do it? You have to really make a mark for the company. So because you know that there are a lot of competitions, there are a lot of people who are doing the same similar kind of pageants. But then how are
Very
you different from the rest? Is what it matters. So of course, to strive
right.
there, to get onto that mark, you really need to think out of the box, and you really need to do it with excellence. So of course, the first challenge that is to stand apart from the crowd. Then
And you are actually special.
Thank
No
you.
doubt.
So,
Yeah.
and secondly, I would say that getting the best faculty on board, team, the best faculty, then the best of the contestants. So, of course, choosing the right people who actually run the company. So, yes, of course, that is itself is a challenge. Thirdly, I would say that of course, you need to keep on working for how for the finances basically. दो
Right.
लगता नहीं है कि एक शो हो गया, लगता नहीं उसके पीछे कितनी मेहनत है और कितना उसमें
Very
फाइनेंस
right.
चाहिए
Very
होते
true.
हैं. So we
Right.
really have to get that cash flow, keep moving. So these are the
Exactly.
challenges of an entrepreneur, I would say. And of course, organizing and managing a lot of people simultaneously is of course one more challenge. So these are the challenges, and challenges keep coming, and we keep on improvising and giving you a
And
better.
I must say you're doing really so well, no doubt about it, and everybody can see it.
Thank you,
And that
thank
is
you,
true.
thank you.
Okay, one more and one last question.
Sure,
Please,
Ridhima, go
please, one more question.
ahead.
I always have this in mind, and I really want to ask you. Please,
Sure.
I can't stop myself from asking you.
No worries. Go ahead, go ahead.
So this is one favorite thing, one of your favorite thing being an owner of Fashion Meraki.
Oh my God. So,
One favorite thing.
okay. So being owner of the fashion Meraki is itself a big responsibility.
Yes.
So, the best thing that I like about being the owner is when I see that sparkle of joy in a contestant's eye when they achieve what
Wow.
they really want to.
Wow. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Seriously.
So really, I
Actually, you can see in every of your contestant whether that girl is a winner or not. Actually, everybody have a good feeling for you in their heart. No doubt about it.
for me,
Which
everybody
I've
is the same. But when they achieve what they really desired, when their
right.
aspirations keep coming true, and when you see that joy in their eye, that is the best thing that I feel that okay, so this is the best thing that I would really like to see.
That's why I said. That's why I said ki thank you is a very small word to show the gratitude towards you. What you have did to me seriously. My life have altogether changed after being into this fashion industries. No doubt about it. Thank you so much once again, and thank you for patiently tolerating my questions and giving the answers.
Same
Seriously.
goes for me,
No,
Ridhima.
no.
Thank you so
No,
much
no,
for
this
being
is my
there.
immense pleasure to be with you in this Fashion Connect episode, no doubt, seriously. It's always been my pleasure to be in conversation with you. It's like a friendly, more of the
The
friend.
the future the feeling is actually mutual, and it's definitely
Right.
both ways. And thank you so much for taking our time and being there, and for all the viewers too. Thank you so much
Yeah.
again for watching us, and please be connected with us on our Facebook page for Fashion Meraki and our YouTube channel. We'll be also coming up soon with the next episode, so keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.